people, it is like 6:30 in the morning as I'm recording this video, and this particular video is slightly different because I want to publicly thank this gentleman who's from Pakistan, and he has his own little channel. It's called the Real American Center Hala New. So it's, the cute part about watching a channel that is I mean, when you watch some any particular channel from a studio, you get a very like sanitized version of what a particular place looks like, and uh, things like that. But when you watch this little channel, you all should check it out. Yeah, it's called the Real American Center Hala New. If you type the Real American Center, you find this little cute little channel, and it will give you life in Hyderabad, which is Pakistan. I'm a Hyderabad based channel myself, but Hyderabad, India, and this is Hyderabad, Pakistan, and it is as honest and earnest as can be, and I have to say this, like just they say, right, small things show character. So I call this gentleman Bhaijan, so the very fact he's so consistent in just watching my these tiny little videos and posting comments, reveals that such a person, any task they take up, they will do it consistently, that it's just so amazing. Yeah, so, and really I have come to enjoy his tiny little videos, just like how I make these videos, and except that he's able to shoot it, record them outside, so you get a peek into how life in Pakistan looks. So really, people, you all should check it out. It's called the Real American Center Hala, and it's a Pakistani based channel, but very sweet. It's, so thank you, Bhaijan. You make my day. I mean, it feels so nice, right, when someone consistently watches your videos and posts a comment and all. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So really, people, so do check it out. This cute channel. Normally, I recommend shows from Netflix and all, but I think this is on par with that, if not better, because it is real time. You get to see how. I don't think I'll ever travel to Pakistan in this life. So at least through watching this channel, you get to know how life there is. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.